It's been 10 months since I've posted on here. I had been very active at the gym 10 months ago, but something happened with the trainer that I was working with. I wasn't very happy. Because of that, I took 2 months off of the gym. I did get back into it, but I haven't felt the urge to share. I have made videos, but just decided not to post them. As of today, I am 9 days out and I feel so amazing. I am so happy that I was able to pull myself out of the struggle that I was in when I stopped going to the gym, and to rise up, get better. I feel so amazing. The best I've felt probably in over 5 years, because I had been so sick with my pinched nerve and my diagnosis with scoliosis. And last time I posted was 10 months ago, and a lot has changed for me. I have been struggling a lot because my dog died. Yeah, my dog died, and it's been rough for me, especially sitting here making a video, because I remember making my first video. I did the video a few times, not even a few times, a million times. I could never get it right, but then I called my dog and I told her to help me to do the video. I told her, just sit here and help me out, and it came out so nicely. I was really happy with the end results. It's been rough, but getting back and going to the gym has truly helped me with dealing with her loss, and also getting stronger physically. My muscles in my back did weaken to the point where I couldn't lift my right arm above my head. So I've had a lot of work to do in getting the muscles in my back to get stronger. Overall, I feel pretty amazing now. I probably started maybe 20 days out looking at what I want my day one to look like. And so I was on YouTube and ran into Michael with Get Fit Over 40. He did a DIY. Oh no, I just said that wrong. Whoops. He did a DIY on self-tanning. I looked that up because I was doing progress pictures and noticed that my shin area were much lighter than the rest of my body. It scared me to the point where I was thinking, oh my gosh, is there something wrong with me? And then it clicked, so I thought, you know what? I need a 10. Anyway, so I started looking at videos and trying to decide whether a 10 is right for me or not. And so I ran into Michael, and he did a wonderful job explaining how he does his competition tanning. I didn't get all the products that he suggested, but I got some of it. I got the Gen Tanner products here. This one comes with the Skin Prep and the Ultra one. I actually didn't get the same color as he did, and it's okay because I don't think I need as much as he does. I also got the glaze. I thought he looked pretty nice with it, because you could tell from him standing next to the other competitors that he was glowing. I wanted that glow too, so I got the glaze and the exfoliator and the color. Today after work, I ran into the dollar store quickly because there were a few other things that he suggested that I don't have yet, so I ran in to get them. I figured that if I have the right products, I may have a better chance of getting a good result than if I don't have the right product and try to do it right. He used the exfoliator from the dollar store. I mean, this one does come with one, but I got some additional ones from the dollar store because I couldn't tell online what this said. I knew this was the color, but I couldn't tell what this item here was. The other thing I got from the dollar store is this here. I do have something else that has similar function, but because I want to get it right, I got exactly the items that were suggested. They suggest that you get oil-free lotion, so I got these also from the dollar store because I'm pretty certain that all the lotion and products I have oil in it. The other things I got, some other people that I watched were using the gloves, so I'll be using this mostly to prevent the tan from getting in this part of my hand. I tried to get gloves, medical gloves, but I couldn't find them at the dollar store. I think this is it. I'm looking. I think this is it for my stage ready plan. I'm pretty certain this is all I needed to seal the deal. I'm gonna put these away and show you what else I got. I do need to go back and review my goals for the year, goals for the month, and see how I want the rest of the year to go. I want to start doing these series called Routine Perfected. And with Routine Perfected, I want to be able to help anyone that needs with creating a better routine for themselves, doing better self-care. I have been working so hard on this. I started since the end of 2018 in improving my routine. I have made so much progress. I started by doing makeup, really. I was feeling so terrible because of my pain. Going to makeup classes and stuff made me feel good, made me feel better, distracted me from my pain. I've grown a lot, and I also tried to incorporate hair care with that, and that's been taking a little bit longer to work on, as you can see, because I mean my hair has grown, but at the same time I have a long way to go in reaching my hair goals. So that's another routine that I want to get better at. And so while I was at the dollar store, I got some hair stuff, and I have never used these before, but this is gonna sound so bad. It attracted my attention because of the bottle. I like the fact that these are spray bottles, and so what I'm thinking is once it's done, I'm gonna be able to use this for other products. Like earlier today, I made some rice water. It's fermenting, but I put it together, and I need something to be able to put it in, to be able to spray it. So once this is over, I'll be washing this and using it as a spray bottle for my rice water. Anyway, so this is a hair detangler, so I'll be trying this out to see whether it works. I don't have much hair to be doing detangling with, but yes, it does get, how would I say, tangled together. When I'm washing it, I tend to pull it out, or not even when, if if I pull it out without anything in there, my hair tends to shed. So hopefully this will help with that. I'll be using it before putting a comb into it, so hopefully that'll help me with retaining length. This one is a detangler spray also. I really like the color of the bottle. I'm hoping this is gonna finish soon so I can use the bottles for other things. But if I like them and they're good, I'll be getting them again. This one here is an olive oil hair sheen. I was thinking that I can use this for my deep conditioning. I'll be adding a conditioner to this one and just use it as a deep conditioner. So this one is probably gonna go pretty fast. Otherwise, other things that I got are these ones here. Despite the fact that I got these, I also got these ones. I don't think it's possible for me to have too many of these because I always have something that I want to spray. As of right now, I only have one of them, which I use for water. But since these are being used right now, if my rice water is ready before these are out, I can use this to spray my rice water. I also got this one here for putting my makeup remover, just because it'll make it easier for me to just put the cotton ball or whatever I'm using here to remove the product and use it. This one here is super cute. It's supposed to be a ketchup, hot sauce, or mustard, or it says vinaigrette actually, dressing container. And I'm so excited to use it because I've been using a little plastic, simple plastic container to store my hot sauce, and I'm afraid it's gonna fall in my bag one day, so hopefully this is gonna help out. I'm so excited to add it to my lunchbox and really super excited about doing a video to show you what's in my lunchbox. The other thing that I got is this one here for putting my supplements like BCAAs, because I don't want to carry the whole container with me. I put my protein in a shaker cup. Once I'm done with taking my protein, I put my BCAAs in the shaker cup and voila. This one, I got one last time I went to this dollar store and absolutely love it. So some people that get injured or that have aches and pain, cold works best for them, but for me, heat works best. This one is actually a cold or hot pack, but I only use it as a heat pack. If you have pain and you know which one works best for you, I would highly recommend these because they will make you feel better. They help your muscles with relaxing. The heat really relaxes you and helps whatever tightness you have to loosen up. I got quite a few things. I got a lot of things today. I got this one also. It's a funnel set. It has a small one here, a medium one, and a super big one. This should help me with transferring the rice water into these containers here. The other thing that I did want to mention is that I ended up having issues again with the gym. It's so bad. It is so bad. If you are trying to get in shape, you have aches and pain that you want to fix by going to the gym, be so very careful. The trainer, the gym, the people that you choose to work with to reach your goal, because I've been scammed and bothered so much by trainers and gyms. So truthfully, as it stands right now, I will not be competing. I had signed up for this transformation challenge at my gym, but so far the feeling that I got is that it's a scam and I don't want to go through with it. So what I'll have to do is take a day for myself. I'm still gonna attend, I'm still gonna take care of myself and be stage ready, but I will not be going and be among a group of people competing, which is okay because I don't need someone to tell me whether I reached my goals or not. So that's that. I'm sorely disappointed by what happened, but I'm already at 22 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it here, and hopefully I will be able to find the time to make videos of my tanning, of my self-care and stuff, and build a good routine perfected series for you that you can follow in order to better yourself. That's it. I do have to get going to fix my food for tomorrow. I have not done that yet. I've been pretty good about preparing my meals. I've struggled for the past few days, but at the same time, I am so very proud of myself. I've been doing amazing. So I'll see you when I do my tanning. Also on day 1. And that's it.